Glassboy 750 Operating Guide. First, pull the handle down, and flip the boom to 90 degrees vertical. The second step is to install the extended boom. The third step is to install the lifting sling. Step 4, slightly raise the Glassboy 750. Grab the lever and turn it over slightly, and disassemble the special trailer. Step 5, turn on the power switch. Step 6. According to the size and shape of the glass, pull the handle up to rotate the suction cup, or pull the handle down to flip the suction cup so that the suction cup fits the glass surface flat. Step 7. Turn on the switch of the vacuum device. After starting, the vacuum warning light will flash. The 8th step, when the vacuum pressure sensor shows a value of -60 kPa to -70 kPa, the vacuum gauge points to the green area, and the vacuum alarm light does not alarm at the same time. It can be used safely. The maximum load capacity is 750 kilograms. Equipped with special trailer, water vapor release valve, electric box lock, charging port, easy to transport, compact, can be manually turned 90 degrees and rotate 360 degrees.